Well, hey everybody! Welcome to Mr. Harold's music class! February is Black History Month, but really, we celebrate Black history every day. So let's sing a little song about it.
Black history is the story of you and me. Black history goes way back for centuries. Black history did not start with slavery. Black history 365, not just February.
That's it! Now let's put a little sauce on it. Are you ready? 'Cause here we go. Our story begins in Africa, where the very first humans that lived are from. Along the Nile, big civilizations like Egypt and Kush and Nubia. We already know about the pyramids, built by blacks, not aliens. The African empires were glorious for their knowledge in science and medicine. Studied the stars, astronomy, made the calendar in 4000 BC. Math, religion, philosophy, Europeans came to study, as the Greeks. So many pharaohs, kings, and dynasties. Even women were rulers, treated equally. Look around, 'cause we're all brothers and sisters, 'cause we all have an African ancestor.
Black history is the story of you and me. Black history goes way back for centuries. Black history did not start with slavery. Black history 365, not just February.
Here in America, history books only mention blacks as slaves after the 1600s. But there's more to the story. There were many black people in America before the Spanish and European conquerors. The Mali Empire sailed the Atlantic, went to Mexico to trade with the Mayans, brought back corn to the African lands. Do your research and you'll understand. Thousands of black folks sailed the seas to discover new lands on epic journeys. Fast forward to the 1700s when the colonies fought for their independence from the UK. Remember Paul Revere? Rode on a horse at the British are here. Well, there was a black guy riding on the side, Wentworth Cheswell, he rode through the night. There were even black politicians, Joseph Rainey in the House of Representatives.
Black history is the story of you and me. Black history goes way back for centuries. Black history did not start with slavery. Black history 365, not just February.
Black history is everyone's history. Make sure you walk up to a black person and say, "Thank you." Thanks for joining us on this sing-along in Mr. Harold's music class. Until next time, peace, love, and shabam!